Yep, the title in the thumbnail says it all. Yep, we making soup today, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make a sausage tortellini soup. This has become one of my favorite soups now, and it's gonna be yours too. So get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's do a quick rundown of what we have for today's recipe. Back here we have our Italian sausage. Now I'm using mild Italian sausage. You can use whatever type of sausage you want. It's totally up to you. And right here we have our tortellinis. I hope I said that right. Y'all know I stay making food that I can't pronounce, but hey, who cares? As long as it's delicious. Right here we have some heavy whipping cream, chicken broth, hot sauce, flour, some ground mustard, salt and pepper, garlic. We have our onions here, some oregano, basil, and we have some kale here. Now, if you don't want to use kale, you can also substitute kale for spinach. All right, this is all we need. Let's get started. All right, to get started, we're gonna add our sausage here. And we're gonna crumble this up and let it cook all the way through. We're gonna add our onions. And while our sausage cooks, we're gonna soften those onions. This could take about 8 to 10 minutes. All right, so we're about 8 minutes in. We're gonna go in and add our garlic. And we're gonna cook this for another minute or so until that garlic helps brighten those flavors. All right, so now we're gonna add our flour and we're gonna cook this for about, or get this mixed in for about 1 to 2 minutes, just long enough so it removes that floury taste. All right, guys, after that 1 to 2 minutes, you wanna go in with your seasonings. We're gonna add our basil, our oregano, our mustard, ground mustard, hot sauce. I'm gonna do a pinch of cayenne pepper, pinch of chili flakes, and our salt and pepper. And we're gonna get that mixed around in here. Now we're gonna start going, once you get that mixed in and well combined, you're gonna go in with your chicken broth. And you're gonna, while you're mixing that, you wanna scrape the bottom of that pot. There's a lot of flavor down there, guys. Now you wanna slowly stir in your heavy whipping cream. Crank that heat up, and we're gonna bring this to a boil. And guys, just to add a little more flavor to this, if you got a block of Parmesan cheese, you know that hard piece that's on the back of it that you probably end up throwing away once you grated enough of it, like this right here, like I have a piece right here. We're just gonna drop this in here. I'm gonna drop that in there, and we're gonna let that simmer with our mixture, and that's gonna add some additional flavor to it. And we're gonna bring this up to a boil. And once your mixture is boiling, you wanna add your kale along with your tortellinis. You wanna reduce your heat to low, and you wanna get this baby simmering about 7 minutes, just until that kale kind of wilts a little bit and your tortellinis are cooked all the way through. It's already looking good, guys, already. All right, we're gonna get that 5 minutes and we're gonna come back. All right, guys. All right, so we are about 5 minutes in, and I've just checked one of my tortellinis, and they are good, fully cooked. We're gonna head over to our cutting board, get this baby plated up so we can get into quality control, all right? There you have it, sausage tortellini soup. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control so we can give it a taste test. All right, we're back in here, quality control. We're gonna bring our soup to the front of the congregation. Man, look at that. Go ahead and get you some of that soup here, man, so you guys see what we're talking about. Look at that. Oh, man. All right, let's go ahead and get to it without further ado. Oh man, try these tortellinis. Wow, this is fire. And the broth. Listen, when you add that rind of that Parmesan cheese, you pretty much don't have to add any more salt. This is his pretty good, man. To me, it's seasoned perfectly. Oh man, this is delicious. That kale, and like I said, you can substitute spinach if you want to, but I wanted to do that kale for this one here. Oh, all right. I gotta get to a table now. So, to the end, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything, and remember, not a chef. I just cook a lot, and now I'm out. Peace.